Beyond accounting, SVA has helped me with our cash flow, with inventory, and merger and acquisitions for the future of Spinweld. Hello, my name is Bob Magnus. I'm the president of Spinweld. We are a unique manufacturing solution using friction welding equipment. A friend referred me to SVA. I was having a slight challenge with my current accountant, provided well for what I needed, but I needed more, and SVA could offer the solutions that I needed. My costs were out of control, and SVA provided a new solution of looking at my financial statements and really able to dig into the valuable information that is there. And also they taught me the value of that information and decisions that we could make together. One of the other values of SVA is that I wasn't alone. If I'm looking to buy a company, if I'm looking to merge, whatever that Spinweld needed to grow, I felt that SVA had the tools to grow with us. I'd recommend SVA because I know they always take care of my needs and the future growth of my business.